Assalamu alaikum class 7. How are you students? Fine. Okay. What was the previous topic? The topic was surface area and volume of a cube and cuboid. Okay? Yes. What is the formula to find out the surface area of a cube? Yes, Amna, tell me. Surface area of a cube. Length multiplied by breadth. Okay? And you know that a cube has 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, front and 5, 6 back. So we'll multiply length and breadth with 6 to find out the surface area of a cube. Okay? Similarly, to find out the volume of a cube, we multiply length with length L cube. Now, what will be the formula to find out the surface of a cuboid? Surface of area of a cuboid is 2 multiply length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. Okay? Now, today we will learn how to find out the area of a parallelogram and area of a trapezium. Okay? First of all, tell me what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram. Name से ही पता चल रहा है what is a parallelogram? The symbol of parallelogram is like this: two parallel lines with GN in superscript. This is the symbol of parallelogram. What is it? If we shift a rectangle, then parallelogram become. For example, this is a rectangle, and if I push rectangle from its upper side, then this form will become, which is a parallelogram, like this. Okay, this is parallelogram. Now, how will we find out the area of a parallelogram and how will we find out its volume? Who will help me to find out the area and G? Good. Alishma is saying that first of all we will highlight the right angle, draw perpendicular on its base. ठीक है? And what is base? जिस लाइन पे आपका right angle बन रहा होता है, that is your base. Draw perpendicular. Now multiply base with height. And what is h? H is the height of this perpendicular. Okay, this is the area to find out the area of a parallelogram. What will be the formula now? Area of parallelogram is equal to BH. What is B? B is for base and H is for height. And what is base in this case? This is base. Because right angle is on this side, that's why this is your base. Okay? Is it clear? Now let's solve some questions to see how to find out the area. For example, if I have this parallelogram with height of 6 meter and base is of 8 meter. So how will we find out the area? We'll write out the formula area of a parallelogram. What is the formula? Base multiplied by height. What is base here? This is height and this is base. So multiply 8 meter with 6 meter and you will get 48 meter square. What is this meter square? I told you earlier, this is the unit of area. Okay, this shows that we multiply meter with meter, side with side, and we find out the area. Is it okay? Okay, students, tell me one thing. If we know the area of a parallelogram but the side is missing, then what will we do? For example, area is you can say 200. This is the area of a parallelogram and base is 10 meter. Then what will be its height? How will we find out its height? Just write the formula. This is your formula, area for parallelogram. What is area? 200. And what is base? 10 meter and multiplied by height. Okay, now we'll perform inverse operation. What will be the inverse operation for this? We want to find out the value of h, which is height. So, इसको यही रहने दें. This 10 is multiplying with height. When we perform inverse operation, it will divide itself with 10, 200 meter, and we can find out height. Now simplify them. This is cancel and we get the height, which is 20 meter. What is height of parallelogram? 20 meter. Okay? Is it clear, students? Similarly, we can find out the base. If the area and height are given, we can easily find out the base of a parallelogram. Okay? Now, I am attaching a file in which some areas are given, some heights and bases are given, and you are supposed to solve this worksheet. Okay? Next is trapezium. Next shape is trapezium. What is a trapezium? What type of quadrilateral it is? A trapezium is a four-sided shape having two parallel sides and the other two sides are non-parallel sides. Okay, for example, in this figure we have two parallel sides and the other two sides are non-parallel. So the first identification of a trapezium is this: we have a pair of parallel sides. Now how to find out the area of this this trapezium? Just like parallelogram, we will draw a perpendicular and identify its base. This is base, this is height. Okay? To find out the area of a trapezium, we will write the formula. Area of trapezium, which is equal to sum of parallel sides. What are parallel sides here? For example, this is A and this is B. So sum of parallel side is A plus B. A plus B. Multiply with height. What is height here? Sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. What is height here? 8. And we'll half this. Half of sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. This is the formula to find out the area of a trapezium. Okay? Now we'll solve some examples to see how we'll find out the area of a trapezium. Let me erase the board first. For example, this is 3 meters, this is 2 meters, and the height is 10 meters, for example. Okay, and we are supposed to find out the area of a trapezium. To find out the area of a trapezium, first of all write the formula. What is the formula? Who will recall the formula? Area of trapezium is equal to sum of parallel sides multiplied by height and its half. Okay? So put the values. 1 by 2. What are the two parallel sides? 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 multiplied by height is 10 meter. Okay? First of all, add them to 3. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 multiplied by 10 meter. Multiply 8 and 10, 80 meter over 2. Simplify them and we'll get 40 meters square. Okay? This is the formula and this is how we'll find out the area of trapezium. Is it clear, students? See another example. I am drawing for example, G. This is trapezium. Okay. Now you people will help me to find out its base first. G. I am drawing a perpendicular from here. So what will be its base? This is base. And the length of base is, for example, 4 meter. This is A side and you can say this is, for example, 3 meter. Okay? And this is your height, which is equal to 5 meter. Now find out the area of trapezium. First of all, write the formula. Area of a trapezium. What is the area of formula? Half sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. What are two parallel sides in this triangle, in this trapezium? A and B. 3 meter and 4 meter are two parallel sides. 3 meter plus 4 meter. Multiply. What is height? 5 meter. 1 by 2. 3 plus 4 is 7 meter multiplied by 5 meter. Now, what will be the next step? Next step is to multiply these two. 1 by 2, 7 multiplied 5 is 35 meters square. And when we will divide it, we will get 17.5 meters square. So this is the area of a trapezium. Okay, students? Now what will we do if somebody asks us to find out their perimeters? What will be its perimeter? What is perimeter? First of all tell me. Sum of boundary. ठीक है, sum of lengths of boundary. For example, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Then the perimeter will be A plus B plus C plus D. What about this H? G. Is it will be included in the perimeter of trapezium? No, because perimeter is the sum of lengths of outer boundary. This is the boundary, this is not boundary. That's why we will not include height. Okay. What is perimeter? Sum of lengths of parallel sides A, B, C and D. Is it clear? Now, for example, in this case, if D is 4 centimeter, 4 meter, and C is 2 meter, what will be its perimeter? Simply you will write the formula perimeter, which is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. These are the supposed value. You can give any name to all these sides. Here we have, what is A? 3 meter plus B is 4 meter plus C is 2 meter and plus D is 4 meter. And your perimeter is 13 meter. Okay, this is your perimeter. So let's wrap up the lesson. What we have learned today? First of all, we learned how to find out the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. Let me write the formula again. What is the area of a parallelogram? G. Abdul Hadi. Tell me find out how will we find out the area of a parallelogram? Base multiplied by height. Good. And what will be its height? जी हाइट क्या होगी इसकी? For example, this is parallelogram, then the perpendicular drawn on the base, this is height, this is base, and formula is base multiplied by height. And what is the formula to find out the area of a trapezium? Sum of length of parallel sides multiplied by height and half. Okay, these are the formulas to find out the area of parallelogram and area of trapeziums. Now what about perimeters? G, what about perimeters? Perimeter is simply sum of all sides, outer sides. Okay, this is base A, C and D. Perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D. And in case of trapezium, the area of trapezium is also sum of all sides, sum of length of all sides, outer boundary. This is perimeter. Now students, your assignment is uploaded on Google Classroom. You can go and check and solve this assignment in your neat copies, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. I am here to help you. Okay. Assignment is do exercise 13A, question number 1, 2, 3. In the first question, you will find out the area of. In the first question, you will find out the area of parallelogram, and in the second question, you will find out the area of a trapezium. Exercise 13B. Question number 1 and 2. Okay, This is your homework. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.